Futures and options on futures trading involve substantial risk and is not a suitable investment for all types of investors. Past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. When I use the word I in this video, it refers to what I teach in my charting course or what I author in my twice daily oral and written updates. Prices shown on charts and quote boards are in real time and take into account all known activity up to this point in time. And if you'd like to read more of this disclaimer, simply hit the pause key. Good day. Ira Epstein back from a 2-day vacation, and today is Monday, the 17th of September, 2018, just after 9:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. I can only tell you what a wonderful experience it was. I was able to go to the White House, to the West Wing, not the East Wing. I've been there before, but this is where I got to see the Oval Office. I got to see where our cabinet members sit, where things are done. Eisenhower Building, able to see where the Vice President is, and all these wonderful, wonderful things, and it was fun. Yes, I got to be in the press room where Sarah Huckabee is. Very, very fascinating. Great pictures, just a great, great vacation. Now I'm back, and I'm back probably until Christmas time, so you're stuck with me at this point. So let's bring you up to date with what's going on. In the stock market, the market is obviously concerned about, does the president levy the next $200 billion worth of tariffs? Came out over the weekend that he's looking at a 10%, not 25% tariff. But that's not sitting well, of course, with the Chinese, who are saying maybe it's time that they become proactive. Maybe they decide to blow up the supply chains of goods coming to the U.S. Maybe they make corporate life very difficult there. Don't know. But the stock market, just looking at it, wondering what to do with it. The gold market up today as the dollar is again falling. Interest rates in the 10-year yield hit today 3% again. Energy prices are still moving as the market is very, very concerned about losing the Iranian oil and what goes on. Interesting articles that you should be reading about how offshore drilling is starting to become, at these numbers, very profitable. Remember what happens. Offshore drilling requires a lot more capital to do than shale drilling. On the other hand, the life of the well is substantially longer. The payback is substantially greater over a long period of time. So, will that happen? Things to watch. If you're looking at the grain market, obviously what you're going to be paying attention to is how does the early harvest come in. That brings to mind, of course, what's going on in the Carolinas. They're already estimating about $22 billion worth of damage, but that's a first estimate. You don't know what it's going to be. The rivers haven't crested yet. Who knows where we're at with that, but it will be a catastrophe by any stretch of the imagination. Be concerned and keep your eye on the copper. It was down 4 cents earlier, and it's not holding breaks. In other words, it's giving up those breaks and popping back up. You would think with all this talk between the U.S. and China that the market would stay under more pressure, and it isn't. When we take a look at the data today, you could see that President Trump can announce the tariffs of 10% on $200 billion worth of goods at any time. China, as I said, they're saying that they may not even attend the next meeting that is trying to be scheduled for the end of this month. Trade talks, if the U.S. goes ahead with that. We'll see what that does. The New York Fed Empire State Manufacturing Survey came out, and the numbers, as you look, are down slightly as a whole. Not very much, which means there's still good moderate growth in the economy. China's ag ministry, it's almost every day, they're announcing more African swine fever. This time it's now in Inner Mongolia, and as I told you, this is just spreading. Even hoof and foot disease came out. They're getting hit with a lot of problems. They need more of our product, in my opinion, so they're hurting themselves, but they'll buy it up from around the world. As we take a look at everything, I want you to remember you should now move to the December. The word is the December currencies. You should be in the November crude and so on. It's about time to even start looking at very soon natural gas and moving out of the October, but you're not there at this point in time. I want to remind you about my market research if you haven't seen it before. And one of the beauties of it is I write commentary and give trade recommendations, and a lot of people just want the commentary. We make that available for as little as $240 a year. So for $20 a month, you're getting 2 updates a day. You're getting access to the special reports I put out. And yes, now that we're back in, I'll be writing metal reports and the like for everyone. So I'll be starting some of those, in fact, as early as today. So if you'd like to get more information about what we do, it's really pretty simple. All you need to do is give my staff a call. They will give you a complete free trial, no credit cards, nothing like that. I think you'll find that it's interesting to see. How do you get it? 866-973-2077. You can go to our website at www.iraepstein.com. You'll see other offers there as well. Fill out as you want to go from there. You can click up here at any point, and what will take place is that'll take you to that page, and away you go. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you this afternoon with our end of the day videos. Good trading to you.